Hi children, in the previous class, Ka went the western side of the wall, the coldest, and in the same way Bagheera went the topmost of the terrace where Mowgli has been kept as their prisoner. Here, group of monkeys, none of them saw while Bagheera climbing up the terrace. In this class, we can see the fighting between the two groups. Before explanation of the lesson, let us concentrate the difficult words. Scuffling, confused. Two men were scuffling on the footpath fiercely in a powerful and destructive. The wind was blowing fiercely. Strike, hit. He raised his hand as if to strike me. Scatter, to move far apart in different directions. The soldiers came in and scattered the crowd. Terrified, caused to feel extreme fear. I am terrified of the dark. Heal, cause a wound injury to become sound or healthy again. The bullet wounds had healed. Relieved, glad or thankful. I was relieved to hear that they had arrived safely. Let us go through the lesson. The monkeys began to fight back. He is alone. Kill him. Kill. They scream. Here a group of monkeys, they are screaming and shouting to kill Bagheera. He is alone. They are all screaming. A scuffling mass of monkeys biting, scratching, tearing and pulling closed over Bagheera. A troop of monkeys in confusion, they started to Bagheera, biting, scratching, tearing and pulling of each part of the body. A few of them dragged Mowgli away and trapped him in another room. A few of the monkeys, he came towards the monkeys on the other road and he took Mowgli away and trapped him in another room. Bagheera and Mowgli were both surrounded by monkeys. They needed help. In the room, Bagheera and Mowgli, they were surrounded by a group of monkeys. Now they needed help from Balu and Kaa. Suddenly a growl pierced the air. Bagheera, I am here. It was Balu. He had reached. Suddenly Balu enters the scene and he was screaming, Bagheera, I am here. I will help you out. He was shouting and he was growling and he was piercing the air. He ran towards the monkeys that had surrounded Bagheera. He attacked them fiercely. Here first Balu, he went towards the group of monkeys and the monkeys were surrounded Bagheera. Balu, he attacked them very fiercely and strongly. Meanwhile, Kaa made his way to the monkeys from the other side. A python 4 or 5 feet long can knock a man down if he hits him fairly in the chest, and Kaa was 30 feet long. Here meanwhile, Kaa went towards the monkeys from the other side. In comparison, a Kaa or python about 4 or 5 feet long can easily hit a man's chest. But this serpent, it's not a 4 or 5 feet long. It was 30 feet long. His first strike was delivered into the crowd around Balu. Here, he delivered his first strike. The monkeys were surrounded around the Balu. There was no need of a second strike. Here, after this first strike, you might have seen the serpent striking with its poisonous snake, with its poisonous tongue. In the same way, he strikes once again. That's why there is no need of a second strike. The monkeys scattered with cries of Ka. It's Ka, run, run. All the monkeys, when he saw suddenly to the Ka, they are scattering and they are screaming. They ran all around the directions. Ka was everything that the monkeys feared in the jungle. None of them knew the limits of his power. None of them could look him in the face. And none had ever come alive out of his hug. And so they ran away terrified. The 30 feet long python or serpent is one of the most fearful animals in the jungle. And they didn't know the power of the 30 feet long python. Just a hug. Hug is nothing but snakes swirl around the animal's body. If Ka catch hold of anyone and there is no way to come outside. That's why all the group of monkeys, they were very terrified and they ran away with terrified. Balu and Bagheera were relieved. They immediately freed Mowgli from the room where he was trapped. By seeing this, Balu and Bagheera were very much satisfied and they freed Mowgli from the room where he was trapped. Mowgli thanked them both and asked, "Are you hurt?" In turn, Mowgli, he said both Bagheera and Balu thanks and he asked, "Are you hurt?" "It is nothing," the brave creatures replied. There were wounds on their arms and legs, but these wounds healed quickly. Here Balu and Bagheera, they replied, there were nothing. And there are so many wounds, lot of wounds on their arms and legs, and they said, these wounds are healed very quickly. Mowgli then turned to Ka and said, "We are of one blood. I owe you my life tonight. My kill shall be yours if you are ever hungry." Mowgli, he goes on talking to the Ka and said, "We all belong one family, that is jungle family. My kill shall be yours if you are ever hunger." It means whatever I hunt or whatever I kill, it firstly serve to you if you are ever hungry. "O Ka, I have some skill with my hands. If you are ever caught in a trap, I shall come to your aid. Just not a hunting. If you are caught in any trouble, I will see this and come to your help." Aid means help. The python dropped his head lightly on Mowgli's shoulder. "You are brave and respectful, but now go quickly with your friends. Go and sleep, for the moon sets and it is late. Here by hearing the Mowgli's words, the python, the serpent was very happy and he said, "You are very brave and respectful. But it was very late and it's getting dark. So you go with your friends and have a sleep." "Now," said Bagheera, "jump on my back, Mowgli, and we will go home." Bagheera said, "You jump on my back, we go back home." Mowgli lay his head down on Bagheera's back. Together they all made their way back towards their home. As Bagheera carried him, Mowgli slept so deeply that he didn't wake up even when they all reached the home cave. Mowgli sat on Bagheera's back and closed his eyes, and they went back towards their home. Bagheera carried Mowgli. When they reached the home cave, Mowgli slept so deeply that he couldn't wake up. Children, I hope all of you understood the story. And this is the small scene taken from the book written by Rudyard Kipling. I suggest all of you watch the movie Mowgli. Thank you, children.